Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the mounting brackets in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new mounting brackets. The pair of mounting brackets installed on the top of the frame are used to attach the dishwasher to the countertop. The main reason for the mounting brackets to be replaced is if it breaks or simply missing. We're going to open the dishwasher door. So we're going to take out the two screws that holds the dishwasher to the counter. That's a Phillips, and I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. So close the door partially and slide the dishwasher going side to side from under the counter, and then we're going to pull it out, grabbing it by the cabinet. And that would be far enough, about 3 inches. And then we're going to use pliers. We're going to bend these two tabs horizontal so we can slide out the bracket. So we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. All right, so I'm going to bend this tab. There's the pliers. And the opposite side. And then I'm going to remove the bracket. This is the old mounting brackets next to the new one. If you don't have these parts, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So the bracket goes this way into this smaller slot here. And slide it in. So now using the pliers, I'm going to bend these tabs up. And that will hold the bracket in place. If you see there's a dotted line, you can always break the bracket along this line if it's required, but don't rush. First install the dishwasher and see which hole you're going to use. So we're going to do the same thing with the second bracket. I'm going to slide it in, and then using pliers, I'm going to bend the sides up to lock it in. All right, now we're going to push this dishwasher under the counter and go slowly. Depends how far you want it to push. Then I'm going to open the door. All right, now I'm going to put the screws back in. I'm going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop. I use the Phillips screwdriver. And we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.